Question number 30. If today is Sunday, then which day is it exactly on 10 raised to 10th day? So here, to find what day is today, we need to find first the remainder 10 raised to 10 will have when divided with 7. So why is that? When we have the remainder, we can add that remainder to this Sunday and find which day is today. I'll explain that as we solve. So first we need to find the remainder of when 10 raised to 10 is divided with 7. So there are two ways to do that. One is the difficult way. I think UPSC wants the aspirants to do it in the difficult way. I don't expect UPSC thinking. I don't think UPSC thinks that the aspirants know the complicated mathematics concept to solve this question. So the easiest, harder but simple way to do that is to just divide 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 7. So you will see a pattern happening. So if there was only 1 0, what would happen? Our remainder would be 3. So we'll just track that. If we had only 1 0, our remainder would be 3. And if we had 2 zeros, that we are bringing down second 0, what would happen? 7 into 4, 28. We'll have a remainder of 2. So if we had 2 zeros, we'll have a remainder. This is number of zeros, and this is remainder. Okay. So if we had 1 0 only, our remainder would be 3. If we had 2 zeros, our remainder would be 2. And we can bring down 0. So again 2, 14. So if we had 3 zeros, our remainder would have been 6. And so we will bring down one more 0, 60. So then we have 8, 56, 4. So if we had 4 zeros, our remainder would have been 4. So we will write 5, 35, 5. We had 5 zeros, our remainder would have been 5. Again bringing down 0, 7, 49, 10. So that means 1, 7, 3. So now if you see, if we had 6 zeros, our remainder would have been 1. Now from 7th 0, this cycle repeats. For 7th 0, the remainder would be 3 again. 8th 0, remainder would be 2 again. And this cycle repeats. So as you can see, we have 10 zeros. So we don't have to divide entirely. So 7th 0, if we had 7 0, we will have remainder 3, 8 0, 2, 9 0, 6, 10 0, 4. So our remainder would be 4. So so our dividing this will give remainder as 4. So we got our remainder equal to 4. Now Sunday, if today is Sunday, then which day is exactly on 10 raised to 10th day? So if, let's just confirm, like if this number was, say, for easiness, say exactly on 3rd day. If it was exactly on 3rd day, what would happen? Sunday, and we add 3 to it, right? 3rd day. 3rd day means first day is Monday, second day is Tuesday, 3rd day is Wednesday. So we'll add 3 to it. If it was 7 days, 7th day, what would happen? 7th day means first day is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. On 7th day from Sunday means Sunday itself. So we that is the importance of remainder, having the remainder with dividing with 7. So whatever the remainder is. So 8th day means just adding 1 to Sunday, and that will be a Monday. So we will just find the remainder and add to Sunday to find the number of the current day. So we got our remainder as 4. So our day will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So our fourth day, how did we get 4? 4 is the remainder when we divide with 7. So as I shown you, 8th day means just adding the when you divide 8 with when you find the remainder with 7, dividing 8 with 7 gives remainder 1. So 8th day is as good as adding 1 to it and finding the answer. So similarly, we found out 10 raised to 10 by 7 gives remainder 4. So we just add 4 to Sunday, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth day will be a Thursday. So solution to question 30 will be B, Thursday. So this is the answer to question 30. Now, as you can see, this solution involves lot of steps. You have to do lot of multiplication, divisions and all. This may take some time in the exam hall. So there's another way to solve this question, which involves knowing a little a mathematical concept called Fermat's little theorem. So I don't think UPSC expects everyone to learn Fermat's little theorem, modular equivalence and all. So don't get intimidated by this solution I am going to discuss now. If it is too confusing for you, just stick with this standard solution. Though it may take some time, this is good enough. So anyway, so Fermat's little theorem, if you know Fermat's little theorem and the concept of modular equivalence, you don't have to do any of this multiplication and steps. You can quickly find the remainder and find the answer. I'll show you how. So Fermat's little theorem says a raised to p is equivalent to a mod 10. What this means is, a mod p. P is a prime number and a be any positive integer. So what this means is a raised to p when divided with p will have same remainder as a when divided with p. So a raised to p and a when divided with p will have same remainder. This is what Fermat's little theorem says. So here, as you can we can write using this Fermat's little theorem, we can quickly write 10 raised to 7 is same as 10 mod 7. So what this means is 10 raised to 7 will have same remainder as 10 when divided with 7. So what is so that is 10 raised to 7. We can also write 3 mod 10, or 10 divided with 7 will have remainder 3, or 10 raised to 7 will also have remainder 3. So 10 raised to 7 and 3 will have same remainder. Sorry, again I made a mistake. 7 modes, 3 mod 7. So when divided with 7, 10 raised to 7 will have same remainder, or 3 and will have same remainder, which is 3 itself. So we can quickly find what is the remainder when 7 is divided with 10 raised to 7. Now we can also find, we know 10 is equivalent to 3 mod 7, or 10 raised to cube is equivalent to 3 cube mod 7. So what this means is 10 cube will also have same remainder as 3 cube when divided with 7. What is 3 cube? 3 cube is nothing but 27. So we know that 7 3s are 21 and we'll have 6 as remainder. So 10 cube will have 6 as remainder. 6 remainder. Since 10 cube and 3 cube will have same remainder when divided with 7. As you can see, 27 is remainder 6 is we can quickly find in our mind. So 10 raised to 7 will have 3 remainder and 10 cube will have 6 remainder. That means 10 raised to 7 into 10 raised to 3 will have 6 into 3 same remainder as 6 into 3. So that is 18. So 18 when divided with 7 is nothing but 2, 14 and 4. So remainder of 10 raised to 10 will be 4. So using this concept, we can quickly find in our mind that the remainder will be 4. So knowing these concepts, that is modular equivalence and Fermat's little theorem, we can quickly find the remainder of larger number also. More complicated questions we can handle using these concepts. That's why I just discussed. So once we get the remainder as 4, we can quickly find our answer in the same manner. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Thursday is the answer. So we don't have to do all this. Once, if you know, we can just write in 2 steps that 10 raised to 7 into 10 raised to 3, remainder will be 6 into 3 and 18. We can quickly do it in our mind. It will be 14, 6 into 18 minus 14 is 4, and the remainder will be 4. So yeah, okay. So that is the concept. You can read about this. So it is Fermat's little theorem. So if you are interested to read about this, do read this concept. So read these two to get to understand this. If you didn't understand any of this, you can read these 2 concepts to get familiar with. I don't, as I said earlier, you don't have to read these 2 and understand all these concepts. You can stick to the standard way and solve this question like this also. It will take some more seconds, but you will definitely get the answer. So even in this exam, there was another question which wanted the aspirant to solve the question in the same manner. So I am thinking UPSC want the aspirants to do this solution only. So but if you know this, you can save some time. That's why I just discussed this solution also. So anyway, solution to question 30 is B, Thursday.